I got the opportunity to work with a local content creator who wanted to bring some holiday spirit to the community. I thought it was a pretty cool idea, and I feel very fortunate that he asked me to be a part of it. So Matt from STLRiverHelicopters, thank you so much for the invitation. I had a great time, and this is how it went.